Hold up.
Hi guys, this is part 2 of my vlog. Now I'm in a bus. I'm going to Ramoji Film City, and Ramoji Film City is a place where all the movie shooting sets are there. So today we're going there, and yeah. So now we are here. Some opening ceremony is gonna happen here, and after that we'll go inside. But this is London.
Hey, we are in London,
Wow.
ra.
This is London.
High budget trip. We are in London now. This is not Hyderabad.
Welcome to London Mental Hospital.
Hey, we are in London, ra.
This is London. But this is London.
Hey,
We shot the
What a beautiful London Lord's Cricket Stadium.
ghost is there. Hey, sorry. What does it look like? It looks like hotel, no? No, it's not hotel. From front side, if you see, it is airport. What architectural space? Wow. I have to go there. You see the watch stand. Guys, it's very dirty, guys. I'm not going. Okay. The train will start in more 5 minutes and we'll go back to Chennai now. April Fool! It's just a set, guys. You saw this, huh? You saw this. Come here. Look, okay. It's a set. It's just a set.
on the side, pora.
Okay, grab the engine. Look at this. It's all real. From here only, the villain will shoot something. Okay.
Shivan.
Then hero will come here.
Shivan.
Hero will go like this. Where?
Shivan.
This thing, yeah. It's in Bahubali too. We are entering the finally original Bahubali. Guys, you don't know what is Bahubali, then you are anti-Indian. Look at this, man. Look at this place. It's like we came. There only full fire will be there. Full fire. They'll be fighting. Oh my god.
You see the Shivan?
Oh, that's Shivan. From there only take that white color thing. Vibhuti. This is where they will tie Anushka. Here. No, Anushka Shetty. Here, and that is that machine they will use to throw the rocks. You know this machine? They use it. There only Anushka will come to throw the sticks. They'll burn Rana died here. Please say anything about the bison. Look at my bison. This museum is for me only. Hey, Mata. Hey, clouds is becoming like that. Oh, then only Prabhas's face will come on the clouds. Oh. Look at this. Okay, so it started raining. Welcome back. Now I ate lunch. Now I'm here.
Movie magic. Now we are in the movie magic.
See the sky. It was raining. It was raining now. No. Now we are here. Zoom in that. See how it's going. See how it's going. See how it's going. Zoom in. Hey, Vian, what's your problem, da? Zoom in. Oh, plane, huh?
Guy, that's a shit aeroplane right there.
Really cool. Movie magic. Yeah, here.
In action.
See the sun show. Spotlight on a spotlight. Told me something. We're gonna make a movie, it seems. Guys. We're gonna make a movie.
You're gonna make a vlog. Vlog please. You're gonna make a movie.
Yeah.
I require 3 female actors from your side. They must go. Yeah, 1. मुझे 3 चाहिए, 30 नहीं. She raised her hand first. She's coming. 2. Yeah, I said female. Yeah. आप दोनों में से एक आ जाओ.
Piracy. KTV. Kanan kamera jadi. Oh, CJ.
Yatra.
And you didn't know we're wearing same t-shirt.
Gurunata.
Tomorrow night we'll play. Okay.
Hey guys, I hope you really enjoy this video, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and there will be part 3 really soon. Okay, bye.